Welcome to Walside Classic and Sports Car and Thompson Smith. Today we're pleased to offer to you this beautiful 2017 Mercedes SL400. It's a facelifted 2017 model year vehicle finished in Iridium Silver metallic with the optional night package, which is the contrast black mirrors front and rear, splitters and diffusers. It's also sitting on these 19-inch diamond cut staggered AMG sport wheels, which have also got the contrast black finish inside. Okay, so it's a one owner car. It's done 16,000 miles. It's had 4 Mercedes services. It's just had recent front brake discs and pads, all Mercedes original equipment, and the tyres are all matched in Pirelli P0s, which are fairly recent. So the car is stunning, finished in this silver with a classic red interior, which we'll show you more details of at the moment. Specification car, obviously with the night package. These later cars have got these LED headlamps. There we see the front splitter there. So we've got keyless go. It's a keyless go package with a power tailgate, which has also got the gesture control, obviously a glass panoramic roof. We've got reversing camera, park assist, all the tools and the tyre inflation kits are all still with the car. There we see the carbon fibre rear boot. Just press the wrong button. There we go. So conditions very nice for, as you'd expect, for a 15,000 mile car. A little few scuffs on the leather, just on the entry there as you get in and out. Nothing serious. So this red leather really is superb. Okay, being an SL, you get memory seats, electrically controlled from both sides. We've got folding door mirrors. You'll notice the car's also got the Armour Card and Hi-Fi system. We've got illuminated tread plates there, AMG mats, stainless steel sports pedals there. There you see the keyless start button. 3-spoke sports steering wheel with paddle shift. Analog clock. We've got the reversing camera, which we just mentioned to you. We've got the air scarf. We've got a manual windbreak. So 4 services, very low mileage. We'll pop the top up for you now and show you all working. Good looking car with the top up and the top down. Stunning car, great value for money. So there we are, that's the top up on the car. There you see the glass panoramic panel. So if you are interested, please give us a call, 01507 606 725 or 01507 60 2222. Visit our websites for the video and loads of virus photos, which is www.walsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks again.